We are Aqua Design Innovations. Over the past few years, we've become the top innovators in living decor, disrupting the stagnant industry of dying plants and dirty aquariums. We started out with a dream, just like you, to create something that would rock this world. In 2015, you blew us away with your response to the EcoCube C, a beautiful, stunning, self-sustaining desktop ecosystem. Fast forward a couple years, and we launched the EcoCube Air and the EcoCube Frame, exclusively on Kickstarter. Your response? We want more. Meet the EcoCube C+, a beautiful blended mix of our top 3 products. With one look, we know you'll fall in love with this stylish, functional work of art. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change filters, ever. We've shipped thousands of EcoCubes around the world, and one thing became clear. Everyone asked for something bigger. After 3 years of hard work, it's finally here. We took the original smaller model, made it bigger, and reconsidered every design element. By further optimizing the filter, there's now even more space for your fish friends. Previously, you could only grow 1 plant. Now you can have up to 5. You can also grow nutritious micro veggies in less than 10 days. 100% guaranteed to grow, we've got your back. Our grow team is committed to helping you with your C+ garden. The C+ has more space for fish and plants with the same attention to detail. Handmade, flame polished, 1 EcoCube at a time. Now you can become a fish parent without ever having to change your filters or water. The EcoCube's unique aquaponics filter uses plants to filter the water, just like nature does in our rivers and lakes. Fish create waste that fertilize the plants, and as the plants grow, your aquarium gets even cleaner. This is the lowest maintenance aquarium, period. And it's more affordable than ever. Other aquariums and filters cost hundreds of dollars. The EcoCube C+ is a better product at a fraction of the cost. Liven up your home or office space with more nature. It's designed for everyone everywhere. We believe sustainable agriculture is the future. Our mission is to expand this vision 1 EcoCube at a time. EcoCube C+. Everything works together.